Does your workplace go through a lot of personal protective equipment? Do you struggle to keep track of the PPE? The answer could be a PPE vending machine. Details coming up. Hi, I'm Dan Clark with the Safety Brief. We take on health and safety hazards in today's demanding industrial and construction work sites, a service of Creative Safety Supply. Save 10% off your entire order at creativesafetysupply.com with coupon code BIG10. Vending machines aren't just for soda and candy bars. Many vendors are now offering industrial vending machines containing gloves, eye and hearing protection, respirators, and hard hats. These are not your grandfather's vending machines. They're custom designed for larger items with keycard access and some with internet connections. And check out the different kinds of models. The traditional rotating coil wire, but it's much bigger than a granola bar. The carousel, which can hold even more. A model with drawers, one with lockers for checking items in and out, and special machines designed to dispense larger items that wouldn't fit in a traditional machine. Why vending machines for PPE? Here are 5 good reasons. 1. Increased efficiency. Putting supplies right in the workplace where people need them. I remember going up to the business office to buy gloves, but they were never around during the second shift or overnight. 2. Lower costs. Machines help businesses crack down on overuse of supplies, such as gloves or eyewear. A quick survey of vendors shows supply usage can be dropped 25 to 60%. 3. Increased safety. Since many systems actually track the inventory and the employee by keycard, it allows managers to see who used the PPE, the first aid supplies, and more. Also, by giving employees access to PPE whenever they need it, they don't have to bother a manager or find a person in charge. 4. Reuse of PPE. Some machines allow durable PPE to be checked out and returned. This allows better tracking of gear and eliminating lost items. 5. Improve inventory management. The machines can count. They calculate the items vended and remaining stock. Many models can connect to a supplier via the internet for automatic restocking. Okay, I'm sold. Where do we get one? PPE vending machines are available from many vendors, including Grainger, Fastenal, Motion Industries, Cribmaster, and AutoCrib. Links to these vendors are in the transcript of this podcast at thesafetybrief.com. Oh, by the way, some vendors will let you buy a machine and stock it yourself. Others will stock it for you for a monthly fee. That's all for this episode, 5 reasons for PPE vending machines. Join me again for more ways to stay safety compliant in today's always changing landscape of safety requirements. I'm Dan Clark of the Safety Brief, a service of Creative Safety Supply. Save 10% off your entire order at creativesafetysupply.com with coupon code BIG10.